Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight on a GMC Terrain. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T20 Torx driver and the correct H11 replacement bulb. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area for safety and to clearly see what you're doing. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Next, open your hood and locate the headlight assembly. For many GMC Terrain models, you can access the bulb through an opening in the wheel well or from the top. Remove the single T20 Torx bolt holding the access cover. Then, twist the dust cap counterclockwise to remove it, revealing the headlight bulb inside. Now, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pulling back a small tab and pulling the harness free. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise about a quarter turn and pull it straight out. When installing the new H11 bulb, avoid touching the glass. Insert it into the housing, ensuring the notches align, then twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Reconnect the electrical connector. After installing the new bulb, replace the dust cap by twisting it clockwise until secure. Then, put the access cover back on and fasten it with the T20 Torx bolt. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If needed, you can adjust the headlight aim using a Phillips screwdriver. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.